In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the item not showing on Facebook Marketplace issue in 2025 with a straightforward step-by-step guide. If you've ever posted something on Facebook Marketplace and it just doesn't seem to appear, don't worry. I've got some solutions for you right here. First, let's begin by checking the status of your listing. Navigate over to Marketplace and select your listings. Here, if your item shows as pending review, it simply means Facebook is still in the process of reviewing your post. On the other hand, if it shows as rejected, you need to review Facebook's commerce policies and make the necessary edits to your listing to ensure compliance. It's crucial to adhere to these guidelines to avoid future rejections. Next up, let's confirm your marketplace access eligibility. Your account must be active and at least 30 days old. Also, there shouldn't be any restrictions on your marketplace access. To verify this, go to Menu, then navigate to Help and Support followed by Support Inbox. Check for any restriction notices there. If you happen to find one, you'll need to resolve that issue before your listings can appear. Now, let's move on to updating the Facebook app. An outdated app can often result in technical issues, including your listings not showing up. On Android or iOS, head over to the Google Play Store or App Store and update the Facebook app. For desktop users, refreshing your browser and clearing its cache can also help resolve this issue. The fourth step involves adjusting your audience and location settings within Marketplace. Make sure your listing's location is correct. Check if your setting is for shipping or local pickup. Occasionally, items might not show if they are set outside your usual delivery area. Consider expanding your delivery radius in the Marketplace filters for better visibility. Up next, let's edit the listing itself. Open your listing and tap on Edit. Here you can update the title, description, category, or price. Sometimes just a small tweak can make all the difference and help your listing pass Facebook's filters. Another vital checkpoint is to ensure your item isn't violating any of Facebook's policies. Items like weapons, counterfeit goods, and some animals are strictly not allowed. It's essential to review the Facebook commerce policies to ensure all your listings comply. If you followed all these steps and your item still doesn't show, it might be time to log out and clear your cache. For mobile users, clear the app's cache, while desktop users should clear browser cache and cookies. Log back in afterward and check your listing again. Additionally, try using a different device or network. Sometimes switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or using another device might just resolve the issue. Finally, if the problem persists, go to Help and Support, select Report a Problem, then Marketplace, and submit a request to Facebook to review your listing. It's a good way to bring attention to any persistent issues. Hopefully, these steps will help bring your marketplace listings back to life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.